There are certain words, phrases that, when spoken with intention and confidence, almost feel illicit. Not because they're manipulative or deceitful, but because they tap into the very architecture of female psychology, bypassing superficial filters and speaking directly to her emotional blueprint. These aren't cheesy lines inspired by Hollywood cliches. They are carefully calibrated triggers rooted in the most fundamental human needs, especially the needs women subconsciously prioritize when forming attraction. Understanding these phrases means understanding that female desire isn't built on fleeting appearances or superficial flirtation. Those are surface-level triggers. True attraction, the kind that endures and deepens, is rooted in emotional resonance, psychological safety, and a sense of being genuinely understood and valued. When you master this, your words become tools of influence, powerful, subtle, and deeply effective. The core of female psychology reveals that women are wired differently from men in how they process attraction and emotional bonding. Evolutionary psychology shows that women's brains are inherently attuned to safety, emotional stability, and social cues that signal a man's capacity to protect, provide, and emotionally sustain. Their attraction systems are activated not just by looks or status, but by feelings of being emotionally seen, respected, and genuinely valued. Their internal stories about how they feel around you are shaped by your words. If they carry confidence, emotional intelligence, and masculine certainty, they can flip switches in her brain that spark curiosity, comfort, and desire simultaneously. When she perceives those three elements, confidence, safety, and genuine recognition, her guard drops and she begins to see you differently. Suddenly, you're not just another guy. You're someone who resonates deeply with her core emotional needs. Now, let's explore 5 powerful, psychologically grounded phrases, what I call forbidden, not because they're unethical, but because they unlock a level of influence most men don't even realize they can access. When used correctly, timed with confidence and authenticity, they activate primal drives and create an irresistible magnetic pull. First, when you say, "I like the way your mind works," you're doing something profound. Most men default to complimenting women on their looks, eyes, smile, body, traits that are easy to notice and comment on. But women hear this all the time. It's predictable. What really activates her desire is when you shift focus inward toward her thoughts, her perspective, her intelligence. This taps into a core human craving, the need to be understood, appreciated for who she is at her deepest level. Psychologically, this creates what's called intimacy through recognition. When she hears, "I like the way your mind works," her brain registers. This person values my inner world, my thoughts, my unique way of seeing things. It's an invitation to feel seen beyond her physical appearance, to feel emotionally and intellectually appreciated. That feeling, being truly understood, is intoxicating. It shifts her internal story from "I'm just another woman" to "this person gets me," which amplifies her attraction and sense of safety around you. Second, the phrase, "Take your time, I'm not in a rush," is rooted in the psychological principle of safety through patience. Women's brains are wired to seek security through predictability and control. When a man pushes for quick intimacy or rushes the process, her subconscious perceives threat, pressure, desperation, or lack of respect. But when you signal patience, when you say, "Take your time," you're communicating confidence and emotional maturity. This signals, "I trust the natural flow of things, I respect your process." In doing so, you create what psychologists call attachment security. Her nervous system relaxes and her desire begins to surface more freely. Removing urgency triggers what's known as the pressure inversion effect. Less pressure equals more attraction. She perceives your calmness as strength, not indifference, and this makes her more inclined to lean in. When you demonstrate that you can hold space without collapsing into neediness, you become the anchor she unconsciously seeks. Third, the phrase, "I don't give myself to just anyone," taps directly into the primal psychology of scarcity and high standards. Women are conditioned to believe they're constantly pursued, which diminishes their sense of value. When a man communicates, "I don't give myself to just anyone," he signals high self-worth and scarcity, two qualities deeply rooted in human attraction. From an evolutionary standpoint, scarcity triggers competitive arousal. Women's brains perceive what's rare as valuable, something worth earning. This flips the traditional pursuit dynamic. Instead of chasing her, she begins to evaluate whether she's worthy of your attention. It sets a mental challenge, an invitation to rise to the occasion. When paired with genuine confidence, this phrase elevates your perceived value because it signals that you're selective and have high standards, traits that activate her desire to prove herself worthy of you. Fourth, the statement, "I like you, but I don't depend on you," reveals a high level of emotional sovereignty. Women deeply desire a man who is emotionally grounded, someone who can care without losing himself, who is warm without neediness. When you say, "I like you, but I don't depend on you," you send a powerful message. My happiness and stability are rooted within me. I'm not emotionally fragile. Psychologically, this creates a balance of warmth and independence, an attractive paradox. Women want to feel desired, but they also want a partner who can stand firm on his own. When they sense you're emotionally secure enough to stand alone, they're naturally compelled to get closer. They want to be part of your life, not the reason for your happiness or your emotional survival. This signals strength, resilience, and self-control, which are magnetic qualities rooted in deep psychological attraction. Finally, when you say, "You don't have to impress me," it's a masterstroke that disarms her deepest insecurity, the fear of not being enough. Women, regardless of confidence, carry subconscious beliefs about needing to perform, looking perfect, being charming, interesting, to be loved. By giving her permission to relax, you're signaling that she's already accepted, already enough. This creates a judgment-free space, a psychological environment where vulnerability is safe. When she feels safe enough to drop her guard and be herself, her desire no longer needs to be manufactured. It becomes organic and effortless. Psychologically, this signals that your valuation isn't based on superficial metrics or performance, but rooted in genuine acceptance. When she feels truly valued at her core, without pretense, her desire deepens naturally. Authenticity becomes the catalyst for attraction, not performance. The real power of these phrases isn't in their magic words. They resonate because they align with core female psychological needs: to be recognized, to feel safe, to be valued, to have autonomy, and to be accepted as her authentic self. They activate neural pathways linked to trust, curiosity, admiration, and emotional safety. Mastering this influence is about embodying confidence, patience, high standards, emotional sovereignty, and genuine acceptance. When your words and presence are rooted in these principles, your influence is profound, not manipulative, but magnetic. Women's desire shifts from superficial to deep, from fleeting to enduring. Because true attraction is built on psychological resonance, the feeling she's met someone who understands her at a primal level and makes her feel safe, appreciated, and alive. When you speak from this place, you don't chase her, you attract her. You become the man whose words and presence create an emotional environment where desire becomes inevitable. And when she feels that, when she truly feels seen, safe, valued, and free to be herself, everything else falls into place. Because at the deepest level, every woman's desire is to feel genuinely understood and cherished by a man who knows how to speak her language. That is the true power of mastery, the art of influence rooted in psychological truth. If this resonated with you, drop a comment below and share which phrase hit you the most or which one you're excited to try. I want to hear your thoughts and experiences, because mastering female psychology is a journey we're on together. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support helps me create more content like this. Subscribe to the channel for more deep insights into mastering influence, confidence, and authentic connection. Remember, real mastery starts with understanding, so stay curious, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.